There's a job at airport where you get paid to scare birds. That's it. That's the job. And before you laugh, this job exists because birds and jet engines are deadly combination. A bird sucked into an engine at takeoff speed can cause catastrophic damage. It happened enough times that every major airport in the world has a dedicated wildlife control program. They have tried everything: fake owls, lasers, distress call speakers. Birds figured them all out. So, the real solution? A trained human patrolling the runway before every single flight, using noise cannons, pyrotechnics, and sometimes a live falcon to keep the airspace clear. 4 a.m. pouring rain. Doesn't matter. Every single flight. Follow for more aviation jobs that could sound fake but are completely real.